We are now live on YouTube from the all-new B&B Automotive, inviting you to join us all month during B&B Automotive's annual Quest for Trade event, Pennsylvania's most exciting virtual pre-owned upgrade event ever. And yes, it's right here in Fairless Hills, PA. Our management team has spent the last few days rolling back the prices on every single pre-owned vehicle we have on the lot, so you can enjoy the best possible price and blockbuster deals on over 100 quality vehicles from brands like BMW, Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Ford, Hyundai, Kia, Honda, Nissan, Toyota, Lexus, and Mercedes-Benz, just to name a few. Why pay more? Our B&B Automotive Bargain Corral has a large selection of cars and trucks under $9,995. Need financing? No problem. Our automotive finance experts will help you get the lowest rate possible so we can perfectly fit the payment into your budget. And don't worry if your credit is not perfect, because at B&B Automotive, everyone is treated like a star. Plus, our finance specialists have the tools and connections to help you get approved for the vehicle you deserve, with car loans available with as little as $695 down. And if you're looking for peace of mind, you'll be excited to learn that each one of our quality used vehicles comes with our exclusive B&B Assurance Plan, which includes a lifetime engine warranty, 6 months or 6,000 miles comprehensive warranty, 72-hour exchange policy, free oil changes, lifetime PA inspections, and Carfax with every vehicle. Already driving a vehicle? Great. Bring it with you and let us make you a mind-blowing offer. We're always looking for quality used vehicles of all makes and models, and we've set aside a $500,000 fund to purchase quality trades from vehicle owners in the area. You can even provide us with the information on your current vehicle right now from your computer or mobile device. That will automatically start the appraisal process so you can get your share of the $500,000 in trade-in cash. Why wait? Click the link now. If you are looking to buy a quality pre-owned car, truck, or SUV and get a great deal from a reputable dealer that will have your back every single day throughout the ownership experience, the all-new B&B Automotive is your #1 choice. Click the link now to register for the Quest for Trade event and get your red carpet treatment and your share of the $500,000 fund. And if you see something you like, you better act quickly, because during our Quest for Trade pre-owned sale event, our inventory will sell fast. Click the link now to register for our Oscar-worthy event, and we'll see you soon on the red carpet at the all-new B&B Automotive.